Hey, scoot over. Yes, as a matter of fact, I do need half the bed. I'm the only other person in here, aren't I? Okay, I got you one water and one snack that I forgot. I'm sorry. Here, how about instead of a snack, I give you a cheek kiss instead? Come here. What? You would have preferred the snack. Hey. Well, it's too late anyway. The debt has been paid. The pact is binding. There's no more permanent of a seal than a cheek kiss. You just can't undo that kind of magic, babe. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. Guess you'll just starve. Is it really that bad? Well, maybe. If you learn how to sustain yourself off of cheek kisses, because I have plenty more where that came from. Well, what do you expect? I'm already underneath the blankets, and I'm snuggled up to my adorable partner. Do you really think I'm ever gonna get out of this bed ever again? Nope. I guess you're just gonna starve here. You're adorable. What? I'm just getting closer to you. Thanks for keeping my spot so warm, by the way. It feels amazing underneath the blankets. Oh? Oh, is this your spot? Well, not anymore. Because my butt is the one in the spot now, so it's my spot. Sorry, babe. I don't make the rules. Yeah, it's still raining outside. I guess it'll be another day just snuggling up in bed and spending time together. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. I know you were really looking forward to going to the amusement park today, but unless you want to get pelted by freezing droplets of water as we hurtle down a coaster, I think we're gonna have to wait for next weekend or something. What do you mean, when did we get so boring? When did we get so boring? We're not boring. I mean, we did gardening, we did cooking this weekend, we snuggled up and read books in bed. That's not boring, is it? Well, no, we haven't been to the club in a while. We haven't been drinking till 3 a.m. in a while either. I wanted to go to the amusement park with you. I was gonna go. I'm not boring. Well, I was gonna go. I might not have gone on every single roller coaster. I mean, the ones that go upside down, loop-de-loops and corkscrews, those ones are scary. What do you mean you remember when when I used to be cool? Hey, are you peer pressuring me? Am I being peer pressured by my partner? You know what? Fine. When we find a day where we're both free and it's not pelting freezing rain out, then I suppose I could be peer pressured into doing like a few of the scary roller coasters. On one condition. One very big condition. So every time we're about to get on a roller coaster together, or one of those big droppy ones, those ones are even more scary than the actual roller coasters. Yeah, the ones where they send you into like a free fall with your legs dangling over your seat. I hate those. those count double. Double what? Well, let me finish. So, every time before we get on a roller coaster and after we get off a roller coaster, you are gonna have to give me a kiss. Well, the one beforehand for good luck, so I don't I don't die on the roller coasters. I don't know. And the one after, cause I don't know, my heart's gonna be racing, my blood's gonna be pumping. I'm gonna be all like, excited and thrilled. I just think it would be really cute if you kissed me when I was like that. Here, just so we know for when the day actually comes, why don't we do a quick little trial run? An immersive roller coaster experience. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put your hand on my cheek like this. You're gonna want to kind of guide me towards. I know you know how to kiss, but I'm showing you how to. A roller coaster kiss is different. So hand here on the cheek. Pull me in. Make sure we're lined up. And what you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna want to kind of pull me towards you ever so slightly and just smush your smush those lips into my lips. Oh no, but you see, you're misaligned, so you gotta make sure you're. Don't roll your eyes at me. Show me how you're gonna kiss me. Yeah, the before the roller coaster kiss, which is very different than the after the roller coaster kiss. Yeah, so you're gonna. Perfect. Now we get on the roller coaster. It goes. I gotta shake you around for the immersive experience here. Then we get off, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put your hand on my cheek like this. You're gonna want to line up with me. Maybe you could, run a hand through my hair. Cause like my hair is probably gonna be all windswept and messed up, so you could do like a cute little romantic thing where you smooth out my hair. Just like that. Look how fast you're learning. You're gonna wanna line your lips up and just kind of smush her face. Look at you, such a quick learner. See? There. It's like we're at the amusement park already. How do you like that for an immersive experience? Or is that still not exciting enough for you? Is snuggling in bed and having romantic experiences with your cute, adorable, amazing boyfriend just not fun enough anymore? You said I was boring. Well, yeah, you said we're boring, but I know what you meant. You really think I'm boring? Was this weekend boring? We went gardening. We picked a super sauce tomato and zucchinis and little baby string beans. Was that not fun? No, I'm not pouting. I'm just... Hey. No, no, don't try to cheer me up. Can't believe you call me boring. What about when we cook together or read in bed? I thought you liked snuggling in bed with me. You're starting to feel a little cooped up. Okay. I guess I get it. No, I'm not still pouting. I can't believe you call me boring. I'm not boring. I'm fun. I'm really fun. You're lucky that you get to snuggle in bed on a rainy day with me. Hey. Hey. Babe. Don't... Don't call me. I'm pouting. I mean, I'm not pouting. No, no tickling. I'll steal the blankets. Make a protective little bubble. Don't make me. I guess maybe a little bit upset. I didn't really think about it until now, but I don't want you to be bored. I want to be fun and interesting and... Hey, babe, what are you doing? Hey, you can't do that. Don't hold my face like that. It's too romantic. Babe, hey, don't look at me like that. Stop making me look at those cute little eyes. Really? Am I really fun? Are you sure about them? Hey. Hey. Stop kissing me. I'm trying to protest. You can't just compliment me and then... You can't compliment me and then kiss me to shut me up so I can... Do you really think so? You promise you're not just trying to butter me up? I better keep things interesting. It better be fun. Oh, baby. I know your boredom doesn't have anything to do with me. I guess I just needed to hear you say it. I know we've been spending these past couple weeks, just staying at home, snuggling up, not really going out. You're starting to feel a little cooped up. But you want to go out and do things with me, right? Yeah. We can do that. We can do more fun things. sorry I've been stealing you to myself and hoarding you away from the world like a little treasure. Hey, you're the one who did the face grabby romantic thing. I gotta be a little romantic too, you know. I can't have you besting me at my own game. Mm-hmm. And romance is my game. Oh, what do you mean you haven't noticed? Maybe it's time you noticed. Maybe it's time I take you out on a night in the town. One that you'll never forget. Mm-hmm. You'd rather just see me scream on a roller coaster? That's more exciting than... Hey. What does that even mean? Are you trying to say if I get really scared on a roller coaster, it helps to scream? You're just trying to get me to scream so you can tease me about it later. Uh-huh. I know you are. You're gonna be like 3, 2, 1, scream, and then you're not gonna scream, and I'm gonna scream, and you're gonna tease me about it. That is not a thing. That does not make... There is no way that makes roller coasters less scary. You're just trying to pull one over on me. Okay, well, maybe if you scream loud enough, then I'll scream back for you. No, come here. I need to romance you some more. Yeah. I mean, if we're gonna be stuck inside for the rest of the day, then the least we can do is, like, make out, right? Mm-hmm. Don't you want to kiss me? Here, I'll show you how to do it. You put your hand on my cheek like this. You line up your... Come here. Not if I kiss you first. That's better. You know, you're a really good kisser. Mm-hmm. You must have really learned a lot from my lessons. Hey. Why do you keep saying that? Of course I'm taking up half the bed. I'm half the people in the bed. That's like the whole point. What do you want, more than half the bed? What are you complaining? Well, if you want my space, then you're gonna have to climb on top of me. Yeah. Listen to that rain come down out there. Really? You still wish we were at the amusement park? We would have been miserable. Are they even open in the rain? I don't know, like the roller coasters could get slippery or something. Doesn't that like make the brakes harder to work? I know in the car my brakes are shit in the rain. Maybe it's the same thing for the roller coasters. Yeah, I can't wait to go with you too. What do you mean you can't wait to hear me scream? Why are you so obsessed with me screaming? What do you... Babe. Stop trying to make me scream. Yeah. Maybe a lazy day in bed with me isn't so bad after all. Uh-huh. You sure you're not gonna get bored? I'm not pouting again, just reminding you about what you said. Now come here and kiss me some more. Kiss me.